What if I told you that in the next 60 seconds, you will understand the one skill that will define the next decade of work? It's not coding, it's not data science, it's teaching an AI to be your personal deputy. For years, we had automation, simple bots that follow simple rules, predictable but dumb. But now, we have agents. AI that doesn't just follow a script, it writes the script itself. It plans, it reasons, it adapts. And the difference between the two is the difference between a tool and a teammate. By the end of this video, you won't just know what an AI agent is, you will have built one yourself. Alright, what actually is an AI agent in 2025? Forget the boring definitions. I want you to think about Batman. Batman has the vision. He knows the mission. Save Gotham. But he doesn't do it alone. He has Alfred. Alfred manages the logistics. He gathers intelligence, traps the Batmobile, and gives Bruce Wayne the critical information right when he needs it. Batman sets the goal. Alfred figures out the steps to make it happen. That is an AI agent. You are Batman. The agent is your Alfred. For years, we had AI assistants like Siri or Alexa. They are great, but they are passive. They wait for a command. An AI agent is proactive. It has agency. You give it a high-level goal like find me the best flight to Tokyo for the first week of December. Book it, add it to my calendar, and find 3 top-rated sushi restaurants near my hotel. An AI assistant might give you a list of flights. An AI agent gets it done. It can plan, reason, and use its own tools like a web browser, an API, or a calculator to complete the entire multi-step mission on its own. It's the shift from asking for information to delegating an outcome, and that changes everything. Now, this is where most people get confused. They say, wait, I already use tools like Zapier to automate my work. How is an agent any different? This is the most important distinction you need to understand. Is the difference between a chef and a recipe. A traditional automation workflow is fixed recipe. It's set of hard-coded steps. Step 1, when a new email arrives. Step 2, copy the attachment to Dropbox. Step 3, send a Slack notification. It's powerful, but it's rigid. If a step fails or something unexpected happens, the whole recipe is ruined. An AI agent, on the other hand, is a creative chef. You don't give the chef a recipe, you give them a goal. Create a delicious Italian dinner. The chef uses their skills, their experience, and the tools in their kitchen to figure out the best way to achieve that goal. If they are out for basil, they adapt. Maybe they'll use oregano or create a different dish entirely that still fits the goal. They can improvise. A workflow executes a process. An agent achieves an outcome. And that flexibility is its superpower. Okay, the theory is great, but I promise you that you would build an agent right here, right now. The secret to mastering agents isn't about complex coding. It's about learning how to give clear instructions. You need to give your agent its mission briefing. To make it easy, we are going to use a simple but powerful framework I call the MISSION framework. M for mission, the single clear goal. What is the one thing you want to achieve? I is for identity, the role it should play. Is it a world-class travel booker? A hyper-efficient research assistant? Giving it an identity primes it to act in a certain way. S is for standard operating procedure, the step-by-step plan it should generally follow. This guides its thinking. I is for instruments, the tools it can use, a web search, a calculator, your calendar. I is for instructions and constraints, the specific rules. What format should the output be in? What should it never do? O is for objective, the high-level objective of the agent. Let's build something genuinely useful. A personalized weekend planner agent. We are going to use a no-code platform. First mission. Your mission is to create a personalized weekend itinerary based on a user's interest and location. Next, identity. You are a weekend bot, a world-class travel concierge. You are creative, efficient, and an expert at finding hidden gems. Standard operating procedure. Ask the user for their location and one main interest. Use your web search tool to find these unique activities related to the interest. Use the web search tool again to find the 2 high-rated restaurants that fit the vibe. Compile everything into a clean, summarized itinerary. Instruments, you have one tool, web search, instructions and constraints. The final output must be a bulleted list. Do not suggest anything that requires booking more than a week in advance. Keep the tone fun and exciting. Your objective is to help the user discover new and exciting things to do in their city. And that's it. We have created the brain of our agent. Now let's test it. I'll type in my request. I'm in New York City and I'm interested in history. So look at that. In just a few minutes, with zero code, we built a genuinely useful, intelligent agent that can reason, search the web, and deliver a personalized plan. You can do this right now. What we just built is a single agent. But the real future, it's not about one super agent. It's about building a team of them. You'll have a central orchestrator agent that acts as a project manager. It takes a complex goal and delegates tasks to crew of specialists. A researcher agent goes out and gathers the data. A data analyst agent crunches the numbers. A writer agent drafts the report. And a critic agent reviews the final output for errors before sending it back. This is how a truly complex work will get done. Not by one AI, but by a collaborative team of AIs, each playing at its strengths. So let's recap. Today, you learned what an AI agent truly is, your proactive digital deputy. You learned the critical difference between a rigid recipe and a creative chef. And most importantly, you built your own agent. The key takeaway is this. Mastery of AI in this new era isn't about knowing how to code an agent from scratch. It's about knowing how to instruct one efficiently. You have taken your first step today from being a user of AI to becoming an orchestrator of it. I've left a link to the no-code tool we used in this description below, along with the exact mission briefing text for the weekend planner agent so you can build it yourself in 5 minutes. Try it out and let me know in the comments what amazing agent you build next. And you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Welcome to the Agentic Age. Now go build something incredible.